YouTube channel. You are watching Aka Jesus TV, and please, if this is your first time of watching, please click on the subscribe button, hit notification bell, drop your comment in the comment section. Alright, guys, today I'm going to teach you how to convert USDT to other coin on Binance. Okay, so you make cool money and do whatever you want to do. Okay, however, you can also convert other coins to USDT. So it's just vice versa. Okay, whatever way you want to do, just follow this method. It's done. All right, if your front page is not showing you like this, not showing something like this, like the way it is now, the first thing to do here is to click on this. So as we said, if your page is like this, it's not like this, it's not like this one that is showing. All you just need to do is to click this place showing picture here. Rather, let me get it for you. This page showing picture. Okay, just click on this particular place here, this particular place here. You just click on it. So when you click on it, it takes you to this place. Now when it takes you to this place, you will see on professional mode, just like the way this one is showing light mode, because my one is on professional mode, just like the way here is showing light mode, Binance light. That is how that will be showing you turn switch to professional mode. So you just switch it on to professional mode. That is just all. Then if he has shown you that, all you just need to do is to go back to this place. Then you click on this, you click on this trade. When you click on trade, it takes you to this place. Now look here, you see convert here, you see convert here, you see convert here. So conversion is free on Binance. You click on that place, you click on it, and it takes you to this place. Now when it takes you here, on this particular side here, on this particular side, you have to change it to either USDT or the coin that has the money. For instance, I'm not having USDT on my Binance. For instance, I want to change USDT. I will come to search, I will search USDT. Now look at it here, I will click it. Now this is to, you understand, from USDT I'm moving it. If you look at this, you will see it from USDT to BTC. Now I want to move it from USDT to BNB. So here now I will now choose BNB. I will choose BNB. Look at BNB here. That is what I will just click. Look at BNB here. I will just click on BNB. So I'm moving from USDT, the amount I want from USDT to BNB. Now if I want to move everything I have from my USDT, no need to type, I will just click on Maximo. And when I click on Maximo, everything that I have will appear. So I'm having no money in my USDT, so everything will appear here. Then I will click on conversion. I'll click on this conversion here. I'll click on this conversion here. When I click on this preview conversion, then if I click on it, automatically it will go, because there's no amount here. That's why it didn't go. It automatically show you. Then within 7 seconds, you click convert, it will automatically convert, and that is how you could convert USDT or any other coin to USDT, or from USDT to any other coin. Very simple as that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. God bless you. My name is Akajiwas. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell, drop your comments in the comment section. Thanks. God bless you.